Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2. But before diving into the downloading process, ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Euro Truck Simulator 2. You can find these requirements on the Steam store page for the game. Make sure you have enough storage space available on your hard drive. If you don't have Steam installed on your PC, you'll need to download and install it first. You can do this by visiting the official Steam website. Look for the Install Steam button on the homepage and click on it to download the Steam installer. Steam is like a big online store for games. Once the installer has finished downloading, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder and double-click on it to run the installation process. This will create a shortcut to Steam on your desktop or in your Applications folder, depending on your operating system. After installing Steam, double-click on the Steam icon to open the application. If you already have a Steam account, enter your username and password to log in. If you're new to Steam, click on the Create a Free Account button to set up your account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a username and password, and provide any other required information. If you already have a Steam account, you can skip this step and proceed to the next. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage. Here, you'll find various tabs at the top of the Steam window, including Store, Library, Community, and Your Username. Click on the Store tab to access the Steam store, where you can browse and purchase games. In the search bar located at the top right corner of the Steam store page, type Euro Truck Simulator 2 and press Enter. After pressing Enter, you'll see a list of search results appear on the screen. Look for the game called Euro Truck Simulator 2 in the list. Click on the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game icon or title to open its store page. On the Euro Truck Simulator 2 store page, you'll find information about the game, including its description, features, screenshots, and user reviews. If you're interested in purchasing the game, you'll see an Add to Cart button. Click on it. Once you've added the game to your cart, click on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the Steam window to review your cart. If everything looks good, click on the Purchase for Myself button. You'll then be prompted to choose your payment method and enter your payment details. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. After completing your purchase, you'll be taken to the Library section of Steam. Here, you'll find a list of all the games you own. Your library is like your personal collection of games, and this is where you can find and play them whenever you want. Locate Euro Truck Simulator 2 in your library and click on it to open its page. On the Euro Truck Simulator 2 page, you'll see an Install button. Click on it to begin downloading the game to your PC. The download time will vary depending on the speed of your internet connection and the size of the game files. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to a Play button. Click on it to launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye bye.